In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your student profile. So we're going to start at the student dashboard. And then at the very top, this block has your student information. So next to your name, you'll see this little silhouette of a person if you haven't added a picture yet. So if you click on that, then it will bring you to your student profile. So this is another view of the classes you've been enrolled in. If you click on details, we'll give you your user details, including your email address. Then you'll see there's some other blocks in here with some extra information, but we're going to be focusing on how to edit the profile itself. So if you click on edit profile, you could see you could update your email address if you need to. You could add your city or town. You could also include a little biography about yourself, some of the things you'd like to do. This will help other people get to know you, both teachers and other students. But the main thing that we want to make sure everybody has is a picture. So we want to be able to match a face to a name. This is really helpful when we just do classes online. So to add a picture, click on the file icon. Then it should be upload the file. Click on browse. Okay, for this profile, since it's our sample student, I'm going to use the Sparks of Messiah logo as the profile picture. So you should find a good picture of yourself to use. Click open, and then finally upload this file. So it'll take a moment to upload, and then you could go down to the bottom and click update profile, and you'll see now your picture is included.